Are you looking for ways to make money online? You've come to the right channel. Who doesn't want to earn thousands of dollars by simply copying and pasting photos on the internet? We all do during this time of the pandemic. We have come to find ways of making money online and doing it remotely. Now that things are gradually returning back to normal, we have preferred not to work in the office settings, waking up early and doing the job for more than 8 hours of sitting in an office chair. Who wouldn't want to when earning online is possible for you and me? This means that we can both earn and enjoy our freedom and travel whenever we like without stressing ourselves over paperwork. Not just that, with the website that I'll be showing you later on, it's possible that you won't even have to work at all and just want to perform simple online tasks such as copying and pasting. That will let the money roll in. How promising is that? Are you excited to learn new ways of earning online? Just keep on watching. But before we start, welcome to Finance Advocate, where future entrepreneurs and investors come to get educated and to be inspired. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a video, you will be updated and you can start your journey in finance. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave us a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. This website, which I'll be showing to you, have already assisted people from all over the world in generating money on a regular basis. In the tutorial that follows, I'll teach you how to generate money without investing a lot of time or effort. But before you watch the video, keep in mind that this will not make you insanely rich, and it is not suggested as a long-term income source. Let's get right to it and see how you can do it. The first website that I'll be showing you is TemplateMonster.com. TemplateMonster.com is a digital marketplace where you can purchase and sell a variety of digital assets like WordPress designs, Shopify designs, HTML or website templates, and many more. This will not set you back a dime. The website TemplateMonster.com is viewed by 1.3 million individuals per month. That's a significant number of users. Therefore, it's fair to presume it's a popular, widely utilized website. Have you ever wondered why? For one reason, it doesn't require you to purchase anything on Template Monster, but rather, we will have to work on here, and this is mainly due to the fact that there is 100% free software that I will share with you later on. That will particularly do everything for you in a particular type of services that are being sought after a lot on the site. And because the software does everything for you, you don't really need the skills. Clearly, most of the time, you can't get paid on a site like this if you don't have any design skills. But all thanks to the tool that I'll show you in a few more minutes, where you can get paid even when you don't have the skills and even with zero designing experience. It sounds fantastic, right? You also don't have to worry since the website is made available all over the world, which makes it accessible for all of us. Let me show you what you'll be doing on this website to make money. You'll be selling resume templates, and I like to show you individuals making a lot of money doing it. To see the numbers for yourself, click on all products in the upper left corner over here. Toggle your mouse over graphics and then click on resume templates to the right of it. That will now take you to this page, and take a look at this. This person is charging $15 at the very least and had over 400 sales. As you can see near the top, here implying that we're talking about $6,000 in total profit. And this is far from the only good example. This person here is charging $20 and has had over 600 sales, implying that we're talking about no less than $12,000 in total profit, selling those resume templates. And you see, these are just two of the many examples you may look at for yourself. If you really look at it, you can make a lot of money just by selling these templates. Not only did you increase your earning potential, but you also have minimized the amount of labor that needs to be done, knowing now that there has been a lot of people who leverage a lot of money on this platform, and doing so from all over the world. Once you've shown up at this website, click on Start Selling in the upper right corner on the following page. You'll want to first select an author here since we won't be paying anyone. Then enter your email address and password in these two boxes over here. Then tick this box indicating that you agree to their terms. And finally, click on Create Account below, or you can simply sign up using your Facebook or Google account, which is much faster and preferable. If you chose the first option, you'll need to log into your Gmail account and find and open a message from Template Monster. That looks like this. Then click on Confirm Email below to complete the process and log into your completely new account. Upon logging in, they'll ask you to add information to your public profile. And if you click on Public Profile tab, you'll see that you'll have to add a public name, a photo of yourself, and select what country you're from. And that's basically it. By the way, as mentioned, this works worldwide. Here's what you need to do. From here, initially click on Products, then create a new product here. Then choose the category in concern, which for us is resume templates. And now that you've completed that, it's time for me to show you the platform where you can have those resumes written for you, so you can get good pay. Here's the site I mentioned at the start of the video just a moment ago. It's called Krello.com. And what it basically is a place where you can design various things, such as a fantastic Instagram post using the thousands of templates this site has to offer, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so on. But more importantly for us, you can design resumes. The thing that you want to do when you get on the site is to sign up, and all you have to do is now click on Sign Up in the upper right corner, fill out some information, and that's it. When you've logged in, all you have to do now is to write your resume in this box here and press Enter. Then, this site will show you thousands of resume templates that you can charge $15 or $25 for each. And they're all done for you, with you doing practically no work. So you don't need any skills. In any case, all you have to do now is choose from one of these templates, simply tweak them to make them seem as good as you can, and then download them to your PC by clicking the download button below. Lastly, to complete the process, simply return to Template Monster. Publish the resume template and charge your fee for it, then repeats the process. You can do this for as many templates as you want to earn as much money as you would like. It's that simple and hassle-free. And that is all. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.